listen and read.
Hello, my name is. I'm years old. Now, let me start reading a story for you. Ogam met his friend, Pete. Pete was taking his pet dog, Rex, for a walk. Hi, Pete. Hello, Ogam. Where are you going? I'm taking a walk with Rex. Suddenly, Rex barked loudly. Perhaps Rex must be very hungry. He needs to eat lunch. Pete said, I should get some fresh meat for Rex. Pete then asked Ogam, where can I get some fresh meat for Rex? Ogam led the way down the path. Follow me. Pete followed after Ogam. Here is the meat shop. But the meat shop was closed. Rex barked again. Sorry, Rex. Hold on, said Pete. But Rex barked because he felt the breeze on his face. Pete also felt the wind on his face. Ogam felt the rain on his face. Oh no! It started to rain. Let's go back home. Hurry! I can teach you my special recipe for Rex's lunch. The recipe is very easy to follow, said Ogam. Mat, pat, get, lad, felt, fresh, special, recipe, need, breeze, meet, eat, teach, easy.